one mysterious statue you can only see underwater. Musa or Museo Subacuático de Arte off Cancun, Mexico. It's euphoric when sunlight fires up all the colors of the sponges growing on the statues, says Jason deCaires Taylor, creator of the 500 life-size sculptures that comprise this underwater installation off Cancun, Isla Mujeres, and Punta Nizuc, Mexico. For the full experience, Taylor recommends viewers learn to scuba dive. He says, "You want to step back and see the entire installation. The beauty of being a diver is that you are in a 3D world, you're not subjected to gravity, forced to view everything at eye level as you would in a gallery.